శుభ సాయంకాలం.
Good evening, everyone. Happy Ugadi and Sri Ram Navami. Hello. I just want to ask you one question. You just saw Sri Rama's script, right? Can I ask you a quick question? Whoever answers, they'll get $5 coupon, gift card. So when we talk about Ramayana, we always talk about two people, Hanuman and Lakshman and Vanarasena, right? So why only Hanuman, Lakshman and Vanarasena? How about humans? Are they part of the war with Ravan? Anyone answers? Anyone know why? You don't hear about humans fighting along with Rama. Anyone? No one knows. You know? Go ahead, tell me. No? Anyway, that was the boon actually Ravana got. Means he underestimated humans and Vanaras and animals because he thought they won't kill him. So he didn't ask, he did not involve means humans and Vanaras or animals. So that's why Rama coordinated with animals, Vanaras and bears to fight with Ravana. Humans were also there, but because he coordinated with Vanaras, so that's why we talk about them. Anyway, and another question, I just want to, this one I am raising to $50. Okay? Who knows what was the sound near sun? What was the sound coming from sun? Good job. But now many are there. Now I have to split that. Anyway, that is good. You know how to say Om? No, that's not the how you say. Chant with me. A, U, A, U, Now if you if you do that fast, then it comes the sound Om. Okay? Okay. Let me go to my thing now. Okay? I think here my friend Thirumal Reddy, who has been doing financial services for the community, he has 3,000 family members joined with him, doing business with him, and he served around thousands of people, protecting their family. What is mean by protecting the family? We all come here with 2 suitcases, but we don't know how to protect our family just in case if there is any risk. That's why he has been coordinating with all the families, friends, make sure that our families, our kids are protected and our wealth is transferred smoothly. On top of that, I just want to take one more scenario today, which is retirement. Our golden years are over now because we have been here almost 20-30 years now. So that is what I want to first welcome Mr. Thirumal Reddy here. He came from Namaste. Dallas all the way here Namaste. To help us. Go ahead.
Namaste. నా పేరు తిరుమల రెడ్డి అండి, డాలస్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. శుభ సాయంకాలం మరొకసారి. ఉగాది శ్రీరామనవమి శుభాకాంక్షలు ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి. సో ఈ కంట్రీలో మనము ముఖ్యంగా చూడాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, చాలామంది అనేవాళ్ళు అనమాట, వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ అసెట్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ కంట్రీ అంటే, ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ మిలియన్స్ ఆఫ్ డాలర్స్, ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ బిగ్ బంగ్లాస్. అవర్ కిడ్స్ ఆర్ అవర్ ప్రైమరీ అసెట్స్, ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ దమ్ ఇస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ priority. That's the inspiration for me being this business. Protected lakhs of people in this country with thousands of partners in this journey. So coming back to the presentation, so we are going to split and help you to cover the information whatever is most important for you. Okay, so please.
Yeah, we are talking about retirement, how you can take care of that, and in case of risk to the family, how the family rest of the family will be protected so that no one going to go fund. So that our aim today is how we can make our life as a golden era and how we can transfer our wealth to the families. So I know everybody is thinking about when I can retire. So minimum calculation, I just put it over here. You yourself can calculate. So imagine you don't have any debt and you have income of 100K and you want your retirement to be 20 years. So that is the money you need. So how much is that going to be? That is, I'm just only putting 20 years. So next is education expenses. So another 500. So that is what? Total mortgage, mostly everyone will have like 400 to 500K. So minimum you should have 2.8 million. So that's the thing. So you have to protect minimum with that. So now you know peacefully you want to retire, this is the amount you need minimum. And also
the living benefits, right? If you get sick before, in between, the part of the life, see, we have to think our life is a 3 stages: current, and like maybe most of our people are like 30 to 40, 45. Then what is the life between the 45 and 65 and 65 and above? So most of the time we get sick before we die. When we sick before we die, and all our savings will be burnt so badly. Everyone thinks of that life insurance means death benefit, but our providers will give the life insurance along with the living benefit. So this is what the use of the money, right? So the retirement planning and long-term care both are equally important. What is the retirement planning? If you die too soon, you need to be protected your family. Let's say, for example, if I go to bed, if I don't get up, what is my immediate responsibilities? Survived spouse and kids has to survive for at least next to 2 decades without depending on anyone. At the same time, after the retirement, the expenses, how it's going to cost. And during the retirement, if you get sick, even if you have millions of dollars, it's going to drain so fast. Okay? So the next screen. The living benefits. The importance of that. What does it mean by living benefit? తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే మనము ఒకసారి హాస్పిటల్కి పోతే పైకి పోనీరు బయటికి పోనీరు. కంట్రీ ఎకానమీ డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. మధ్యలో ఉంటాం, ఖర్చు బాగా అవుతుంది, మొత్తం తడిసి మోపడి అవుతుంది, రైట్? అలాంటప్పుడు చావలేక బతకలేక ఉన్నప్పుడు మన సంపాదనని ఉన్నదాన్ని సరిదిద్దుకుంటూ మనం పిల్లల మీద కానీ గవర్నమెంట్ మీద కానీ ఉద్యోగం మీద కానీ ఆధారపడకుండా బతకాలి అంటే ఈ లివింగ్ బెనిఫిట్స్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనమాట. సో వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ దిస్ లివింగ్ బెనిఫిట్స్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద లివింగ్ బెనిఫిట్, death benefit. So this is one of the special and added advantage for our providers to offer the solution to the consumers. Next screen please. Right, understand the life insurance, the butterfly chart. This is very, very simple formula. Please, you can go little fast, within every 15 seconds I will catch up that. So this is the butterfly chart. Why it is the butterfly chart is like 20 to 40 years. We are going to retire next 20 to 40 years. How many people here know that once you cross the 50, if you lose the current job, it's not easy to get it, because our nephews and nieces are ready to take over jobs and you cannot depend on the job continuously. So if you see the left side, our immediate responsibilities, if I go to bed, if I don't get up, who takes care of my kids' college? Who takes care of the mortgage? Who takes care of the income replacement, daily survival? All these things coming. Then this is the one thing, if something happened to me unexpectedly, to cover these things. And what if I live too long, right? My retirement, financial risk. What kind of risks do I have it? So the risk we have for our money is market risk. Number 2, tax risk. Number 3, litigation risk. All these things will be bothering us, okay, when you are retirement part, right? So if you see that, if you don't have the proper financial planning, if you don't know how to employ the money so that money also can work for you while you are working for money, it saves your life, it improves your health, because so much stress. How many people are dying, every Monday? Thousands of people. The stress they are going through. Because we make it $10,000 per month, we have the commitment for $15,000 to $20,000. Whose fault is that? It's not someone else. With the proper planning, with the proper financial education, which is very, very important, especially educating women in the family means entire house is educated. So with the proper education, what happens if you do that? So IUL is nothing but indexed universal life insurance. In the life insurance, there are two types. Term insurance, perm insurance. Telugulo cheppalante term రావాలంటే మనం పోవాలి. Right? But permanent insurance, cash value life insurance, guaranteed death benefit. Either it could be retirement or a major purchase or emergencies, okay? And early kids college or marriage, anything you want to do. That's only the solution where you can park the money to have the liquidity and accessibility. తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే అవసరానికి అందుబాటులో లేని సొమ్ము ఎంత ఉంటే ఏం ప్రయోజనం మీరే ఆలోచించుకోండి. నాకు అంతుంది ఇంతుందని కాదు. అమెరికాలో మనకు లైఫ్ తెలుసు. పావులో పెట్టి 30 అప్పు తెచ్చుకొని ఉంటాం. కమిట్మెంట్స్, హూ విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ కమిట్మెంట్స్? బట్ with proper life insurance and all the things, permanent life insurance, we can cover all those things. There's so much powerful information. Due to the time constraint, I'm going little fast. Next month. So this is very simple calculation just to survive, and what you need to do for next 20 years to have the contribution part of it, so that you'll have the next, after 20 years, another 20 to 30 years for the worry-free, risk-free retirement. This is one simple calculation. Okay? So this is one of the most important solution, cash value life insurance. It's also called as a life insurance based retirement plan, which will give the worry-free, risk-free retirement. The biggest worry could be the taxes or market risk or tax litigation risk. Next one.
So this 2.119 million, you will not need to pay taxes. So that's the most important thing when you are putting money in IULs.
Yep. Next screen. So annuity. What is annuity? It's kind of a life insurance is the death benefit part of it, but annuity is the place where you can park the money for the life. There are two types of annuities, okay, majorly variable annuity, indexed annuity. Variable annuity involved with the market risk, you may lose everything, you may get bet, but indexed annuity is the safest bet. Losing money is not an option. When it comes to that, it gives the peace of mind for you, guaranteed lifetime income for you and your spouse as long as you're alive. That is one of the most important factor added. You want to add anything?
Yeah, I just want to add one more thing. See, imagine if you don't have paycheck, how do you feel? So make sure that your spouse secured your retirement life, make sure that you will be getting that paycheck. So we have solutions where you will be getting that paycheck even during your retirement, so that you don't need to worry. So please reach out our booth outside. We will guide you.
Yes, and regarding the will and trust, how many people know that? What is the will, what is trust? Will is the legal document where we define the key people and assign the roles and responsibilities. Do we need to have the will and trust in this country? Yes. In India, we don't need it. In India, we have a Hindu Undivided Family Act for Hindus. For every religion, you have the Family Act. If something happened for us, our minor kids will go to our parents or siblings. But in this country, it's not like that. You know, average American men get married 4 to 6 times in his life. Due to that, there is a Family Act, probate court, so many things are there. If you don't have the will, government has the default will, your minor kids end up in the foster care if something happened to both the parents. Having the proper will and trust is a must for every family, no matter your financial status, visa status, or anything, status point of it. But protecting our family and wealth is the highest priority. That we could achieve only through the proper estate planning. For the, especially the announcement I want to make it here is the parents who involved their kids in the cultural activities today on the stage, okay, the estate planning package, which is like almost $600 worth, giving for $300 for the people, okay, $300 for every parent who involved the kids in the activities, and we help you, we'll handhold you to complete the entire process within couple of hours, okay. So that's one important. And so how many of you so excited to go to work every day? 99% maybe not. But we are offering the opportunity where in IT, I'm in this country for almost 30 years, no job security, no income security, no financial security, no financial freedom, no time freedom. We can assure you that if you hands with us, okay, work with us in the financial education side, okay, we are going to handhold you in this wonderful business which is the highest in market potential and income potential, right? So the opportunity we are offering, we are going to handhold you. It is equal opportunity. If you have the proper EAD, green card EAD, green card citizenship, we will handhold you and get you up to the speed. And from the March 8th International Women's Day to May 11th Mother's Day, any woman wanted to learn something and secure her career and life in the financial side, I am sponsoring, to all women. Like last month, we helped 200 families. We took everything, like every cost associated in the beginning of the business, we took care of it on our shoulders. Not only the money, time, efforts, resources. That's the beauty of it. We have the powerful mentorship and leadership to guide you on, building the career, financial career. And the background of the company is Hedgeman Group International Hubert Humphrey. Every decade, మనం చెప్తాం కదా ట్రెండ్ సెట్ చేశారా అని, అట్లా he created the disruption in every decade. Okay, number one in the life insurance, number one in the insurance investment, number one in the mortgage, number one in the financial career point of it. This is the beauty of the opportunity. We are here to help you. And are you ready to work with us to take your career in the better direction? Okay, thank you for giving the opportunity.
I just want to introduce my team who has been partnered with us, and we are all helping together. Please welcome Venkat, Nirmala Garu, Jay Narayan, Hanmant Reddy, and Mani Garu. Here is my team who has been working with us, and we are all helping our community secure the families. So please reach us anytime. We are all here to help you.
Yeah, we have the stall outside. Please stop by. We are going to take care of, your opportunity point of it, estate planning point of it, education, everything related to the money. We are here to help you. Are you ready to take our help? Are you ready to work with us to secure your career, to make your financial freedom family and time freedom family? Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you for giving the opportunity.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Saratha garu and Tirumala Reddy garu. You are